Today our topic is number system. So what is a number system? A number system is a way to represent and express numbers using a consistent set of symbols or digits. It uses base or we can say radix to represent values. Now there are four types of number system. Number one is binary number system. Number two is octal number system. Number three is decimal number system, and number four is hexadecimal number system. Now, as we know that mono means 1 and bi means 2, so it has numbers 0 and 1. So its base is 2 because it has two numbers. In octal it has numbers from 0 to 7, total 8 numbers, so its base is 8. In decimal it has 0 to 9, total 10 numbers, so its base is 10. And in hexadecimal it has 0 to 15, total 16 numbers, so its base is 16, or we can write capital H. Now these 16 numbers can further be divided into two parts. One is 0 to 9, and then from A to F.